Objective is clear. Take the chicken. Do this, but no, okay, never mind. Okay, now we're doing a joke. The objective is clear. Take the chicken, go over here, and go drop this in it, and find this. This game is like pretty funny, I say. Oh, amazing sound. Oh, whoops. Now I'll find a carrot. Stealth mode. I found it. I'll now return it. Stealth mode, and the carrot has to roll down the stairs. Yeah. Now the floor is all good now. What's changing? I'm hitting R. Drop that in the soup. Again, same joke. Fish stealth mode. No one heard that. Okay. No one can see me. 3% guys. No one can hear me. No one can see me. No one can see me. Yep, no one can see me. No one can see me. Oh, you. Oh, I got this. Why that making me laugh? Oh, what the heck? Oh, why is that so funny? Like I just jumped. Before he thought I'd get out, I just jumped and it face palmed it. You face down with him. To take a chef bub. Upstairs. Well, you've got everything. It's in the box soon earlier. I'm gonna have no love. But the restaurant's pet. Anyways, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. Amazing. You got microwave dinner. Yeah, microwave dinner. Now take it to fridge pot course and use its fuel. Okay. Actually, we're falling on it. X. Okay. And now, that's that done. Without speed around. I got it done. pretty fun. Oh. Also, someone had a shout out in this video. I don't know what his name is, but okay. His name starts with an M or something. I have really no idea, but I think his name Michael Morum or something. I have really no idea. I guess I just keep in my head. I have no idea. I have no idea. Yeah, for fun. Also, I'm not using my account, I'm using a different account because I'm using a different computer. So, yes. That's why I'm not lazy today. Oh, nope. Get the boxes out of here. I'm microwaving all these dinners. Yes, I'm now going to bash my head on everything within this island. Oh no. Wait. For sure there's a microwave sound. You know nothing about this. Wait, how are you joking? It is the microwave sound. So I gotta come back. Wait. Ooh, and let's get back in there, cause I got something that I missed. Restaurant. You wondering what's the thing you missed in here? What is it? Oh, besides this, obviously. Dang it, this side. I missed a lot of stuff in here. Hey, I was gonna say there's a box in the back of the room that I forgot about, but nope. Oh wait, okay, and add up with oh, what? I know about that. How have I missed all this? What? I'm still in the restaurant. No, I went back for the chicken. Chicken's tall, yeah. This does feel like a banjo or something. And whatever it's called, I don't know what the kids play these days. Where are they going here? The beach. It's about sand. Okay. Okay, I need to get 2 of them. Good thing I am close to almost getting my next microwave dinner, which is where we're gonna end the video. Yo, when I get 2 of them, and I don't care how long it takes, all of how bad my ears hurt. Oh, I mistakenly found this area. Oh, and the red sewer. So Ratatouille is here. Cheese fault. Yes, oh, I gotta get a lot of cheese here. I get all the cheese. Good thing I am the king of reds. I know how to talk red. That's how you talk red. But this is definitely Donkey Kong 64 like. Hey, Donkey Kong 64 sucks. Okay, it's probably gonna be the most easiest one ever. I want to text the lights to follow whatever I say, just as long as they give me a microwave dinner. I think I'm gonna see what it is, like, just in case of how long this takes me. Cause this is honestly a fun game, I gotta say. A link, of course, in the description whenever I get this out. And I'm still working on that Mad City video. Oh. I told you, got entire storage. I get that right over there. All 2 pieces. Okay. What's that over there? Color code. Can I take